In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ActiveCampaign to ClickFunnels. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your marketing and sales processes by combining the powerful automation capabilities of ActiveCampaign with the robust funnel building features of ClickFunnels. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up ClickFunnels. Make sure you're logged into your account, which will bring you to your main dashboard. Once there, it's time to head over to the workspace settings. Now, if you're unsure where to find this, look towards the sidebar on the left. You should see a tab marked Workspace Settings. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a page with a variety of options for customizing your ClickFunnels workspace. As we dive deeper, the next area to focus on is the Integrations section. From the Workspace Settings page, look for an option labeled Integrations and select it. Integrations are a crucial part of maximizing the capabilities of ClickFunnels, as they allow your platforms to communicate and share vital information seamlessly. After clicking on integrations, you'll see a list of platforms that you can connect to your ClickFunnels account. Scroll through this list until you find ActiveCampaign. Once located, go ahead and select ActiveCampaign. This will set the stage for connecting your two accounts. Now that you've chosen ActiveCampaign from the list, you'll be prompted to fill in some essential details. You'll need to enter a URL. This URL is specific to your ActiveCampaign account. It can typically be found in your ActiveCampaign account settings under the API section. Copy the URL from there and paste it into ClickFunnels where it asks for the URL. This step ensures ClickFunnels knows exactly which ActiveCampaign account it should be communicating with. The next piece of information you need is your API key from ActiveCampaign. Again, this is located in the API section of your ActiveCampaign account. The API key acts like a password that tells ClickFunnels you're authorized to access the data in ActiveCampaign. Carefully enter this key into the designated space in ClickFunnels. With the URL and API key entered, you're almost there. All that's left to do is click on Proceed to finalize the connection. This step will confirm the integration and, assuming everything was entered correctly, solidify the link between your two platforms. Once you hit Proceed, ClickFunnels will process the information, and boom, your ClickFunnels account is now connected to ActiveCampaign. By completing these steps, you've unlocked a powerful set of tools to optimize your marketing efforts. Whether it's automating email campaigns or tracking customer journeys, this integration is sure to supercharge your business operations. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check back for more useful tutorials.